You can put on one of the blankets that's the size of that bag that you don't want. It's essentially cooking like to this. Yeah, maybe that's it.
Well, do you want to lay down? Maybe we do need to get one of those beds.
It's crazy because I've seen some on Basic Marketplace for like $20.
Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna look right now.
They're trying to recommend at the dealership. It's getting an oil change, so obviously they're gonna ask for the cabinet air filter, but you know they charge like $50 or something, and you can get that from there for like 10. Cool. Or no, it's $70. Sorry, each one 77. And then they said, oh, we recommend an alignment, 130. Also, we recommend a brake fluid flush. And then also, we recommend a coolant refresh bowl. She originally tried to get me. She's like, oh yeah, so we recommend the air filter, and I was like, oh no, I'm good. And I was like 118 when she said that. I got a water hose, but not a nozzle.
Wow.
And I probably need a brush. Grab the water hose.
Grab it?
Yeah, I pointed it away from you, obviously. How you doing? Good, thank you. Washing wax, baby. Washing wax, baby. Can you give me that broom, please? Now we mixing it with the broom. It's crazy. Washing wax. That's the hook. You know what something feels so good? Words can't describe it. That's this. Yeah. And of course, I always end it like this. If I believe it, I achieve it. I conceive it, I deceive them. There's reasons to the weakness. Only God gets my meekness. There's people that'll watch you in silence, but they witness. And if they ain't gonna hurt you, then they gon' plead the fifth quick. I bear arms. My Second Amendment is what I witness. Not to cause harm, but to defend against the hatred. Not to excite violence or no hating. My name is insert yours here. We ain't none to be played with. I'ma give it all. I live the words I preach. I ain't speaking to just y'all. Man, I am appalled. Cause there's things that people say, but their actions do not match. There's so much disarray. I can only be O'Shea. Cut away from me.
30 seconds later.
Don't do that, actually.
If I say I must do what I do before say, that's how I was raised.
We love one. We love one enough.
Blessing. Everything I earned, I got from L's. We call them lessons, yeah.
Leveling up. That's all, folks.